Don't take a single moment of your life for granted. At this very moment, someone is taking their last breath and would give anything for a few more moments on this earth. You have so many blessings. Think about them right now. Feel how blessed you are. Acknowledge how blessed you are. Shout it out. I am blessed. I am blessed. Thank you for all my blessings. Thank you for all my blessings. Trust that everything will work out for you. Maybe not exactly as you planned, but perfectly for the evolution of your soul. Trust that whatever you have been asking for is on its way.
Interview. What are we doing?
Getting ready to go.
Are you Eliza?
Yeah, she's,
Okay, what's going on here, Ethan boy?
we're preparing to go fishing and stuff in fresh water, and we made a thing, whatever it's called, a trap, trap for to catch crawfish.
Yeah.
Catfish too.
Catfish?
Yeah, you said that. Catfish can't
No.
fit in here. Wait,
That's crawfish.
crawfish,
Shrimp.
Wait, shrimp. And shrimp. We're gonna go do this. We're gonna put the trap in fresh water, and we're gonna put. And then we're gonna record it. And then they're gonna be shoving each other in there to get the cat food.
Oh, okay.
Cat food. Wait, what cat food?
Oh, you want me to drill, Jess?
You drill it already.
Oh, I didn't drill the other one. You need
It's
to drill
okay,
it?
no, doesn't matter.
Guys broke it.
All right, so here's Jess's contraption right here. Jess, what kind of contraption you got?
What one? So nothing.
Oh, there's Erica. Erica just reached here in time.
She can't even eat a thing.
Oh, maybe this somebody go cut the yard right there.
All right, guys.
Really bad.
So Jess, tell us what your contraption is all about. Oh, you got a fan over here, Jess.
Yeah, let's try to make my trap.
Okay.
I don't know how it goes. Let's see.
Okay, what's it made of? So this is a fan, electric fan, and then you just you're utilizing the other side as the entrance hole.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is our and I told Jess to create this one. This is another contraption right here. Just a regular plastic bottle. Oh, not bottle, sorry, plastic water jug. And hey, I'm explaining. Hello.
Oh.
My God. So yeah, you just cut the top of the water jug, I don't know what you call it, and then you just flip it around, and that's where the crawfish goes in. And then you just cut. Of course, you secure it around. Jessie used the little rope there, and then this is the trap door. So she's gonna put. You gonna put it in now? Okay, go ahead.
More better. But more better. This is the small one. See, they can fit. Then the other one's so big.
Supposed to put some rocks in there too.
Oh, right there, rocks. Give me.
Huh?
Right there, the small rock right there.
Where are the small rocks?
Just right there.
No, these are big rocks.
That's too small. That one, get the one.
Okay, yay. Okay, hold on. Gonna need some rocks so it doesn't move around too much.
Small one.
Hey, Grandma.
Is it TRD?
Oh, no.
I don't think their one is TRD, is it?
I don't know, cause.
Oh, it is TRD. I didn't even notice it was TRD.
Is that them?
Yeah.
That's Grandma?
Yeah. TRD. I just realized now that. Erica, set up the other chair for.
Hello.
Whoa! Hello there. What's going on? Go that way. What? Fresh air, man.
Because the river is cold.
Oh, it's not.
It's water.
It's not too bad, Dad. It's perfect.
Huh?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah, it's ice water.
Hi, Dad.
Yeah, I see. Because
Liza, go clear up some room over there in the back of the tailgate.
Yep.
Hi.
Can I open this?
Oh, Ethan, here.
Hi, Romeo. Woo. Yeah. Look at that. Huh? Oh, yeah? Let's go over here. Yeah. Yeah. Woo.
Didn't think we were the right type, but we had lots of love. We let it go and thought we were fine, but I guess we still played that.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here, along with Jessie girl once again. We had a spectacular day once again. Unfortunately, we didn't catch any prawns / crawfish, but you know what? We still had fun, and that's the main thing, right, guys? Yeah. Even though we didn't catch, we still had fun, right, Jess? Anything?
Look, Dad.
She's busy. Alright, guys. Alright, hope you guys have a great night, and I'll catch you guys. Oh, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
And comment down below what you guys want us to do next video.
Oh, yeah. And make sure you hit that like button if you guys liked it. Okay?
Hit the bell.
Hit the bell, Eliza said.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Hit the bell, guys. Alright. Peace.